For over 40 years, HearthStone has been making the best wood stoves on the planet, and our Traditions family of stoves is no exception. It's made with the highest quality European cast iron and our signature Soapstone lining. The HearthStone Craftsbury is the smallest wood stove in the Traditions family. It has an HHV efficiency of 79%, a heat life of 16 hours, and will heat up to 1,400 square feet. The HearthStone Shelburne is the newest wood stove in the Traditions family. It has an HHV efficiency of 79%, a heat life of 24 hours, and will heat up to 2,000 square feet. The Manchester is the largest stove in the Traditions family. It has an HHV efficiency of 78%, a heat life of 30 hours, and will heat up to 2,400 square feet. Each member of the HearthStone Traditions family is constructed out of our gorgeous cast iron, and depending on enamel color, can come in a matte finish or an easy clean gloss enamel. The Traditions family firebox is completely lined with thick soapstone bricks known for its heat retention properties and will extend the life of your fire beyond just the initial burn time. The Traditions family also offers a wide glass viewing area, natural wood detailed handles, and features an elegant raised pattern on the sides and top of the stove. And because each stove has a higher HHV efficiency than 75%, each stove qualifies for the new 25D U.S. tax credit. This allows the consumer to claim a tax credit of 26% on the purchase and installation of your new Traditions wood stove through December 31st, 2022. The Traditions family from HearthStone. Efficient, elegant, and available today.